In this video, I am going to talk about how you can make your specific person miss you. So let's get right into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaisa here, musician, entrepreneur, and a law of attraction coach. So making your specific person to miss you is actually very simple. Like, it's not rocket science, okay? So basically, all you have to do is to feel it within yourself that your SP is missing you. Like, that is all it takes. Because your inner world, what you feel within yourself, like your thoughts, your beliefs, your feelings, all that kind of stuff is creating your outer world. So if you want to manifest that your specific person is missing you, you need to brainwash yourself to believe that it is true. This technique is based on Neville Goddard's teachings, and everyone is you pushed out. So what it means is that basically everyone and everything out there in your physical reality is a reflection of who you are inside. So it means that your beliefs and your expectations create everything and everyone out there. So if you are expecting your specific person to miss you, then let me tell you, they don't have any other choice than to miss you. So the question is that how do you go about brainwashing yourself? Because it's not always easy. Like, we grow up in a society which teaches us that, like, everything that you see, like the physical reality is like everything that there is. And when you first start practicing all this kind of stuff, like everyone is you pushed out and your inner world creates your outer world, like it can be a little bit tricky. Even when you believe in the law of attraction, it can be tricky because your mind starts thinking. But this is not about thinking. Even though you want to think, you want to expect that your specific person is missing you, it's not the whole thing. Like, what you want to do as well, like this is the most important part, is that you need to feel it. You need to feel what it feels like when your specific person is missing you. Okay, let me ask you a question. How would you feel like if your specific person told you that I miss you? Imagine, like, close your eyes and imagine that your specific person is telling you that I miss you. How do you feel? I'm quite sure that you are feeling good. So that's exactly the state of being, the state of feeling that you need to practice. Because practice and repetition is what reprograms your subconscious mind. And this way, when you practice over and over again, it becomes more natural to you. Like, at first, you might need to do a lot about it, like you need to do that conscious effort. But as you practice over time, it's going to become so natural to you. Like, you don't even need to think about it anymore. After some time, you're just gonna be like, of course they miss me. I'm amazing, like they miss me. And that is when the thought, the belief about your specific person missing you has become the predominant belief in your subconscious mind. And you don't even need to get that far. I mean, like, you don't need to be perfect at this. You don't need to be perfect so that your specific person is going to miss you. You just need to expect them to miss you. It's okay to have fears and doubts sometimes, you know? Everyone does, because we all are human. But you need to keep practicing the state of feeling, who you are when your specific person is missing you. You need to expect that your specific person is missing you, like wondering where you are, what you're doing. Your specific person is feeling your absence. And when you keep practicing this, there is no other option than this to start showing up in your physical reality as well. You just need to believe, you just need to expect. It is that simple. It might not always be easy, but you just need to keep practicing and you will get there. You need to know your own power. You need to know that every thought you have creates, and the fact that you can create anything you want to. You are so powerful. If you want your specific person to miss you, that's fine. Like, it's done. It's already there. Now you just need to become the person who you would be if your specific person is missing you. So that's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if this has been helpful for you, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because I am making 3 videos every week to help you start living your dream life right now. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell sign so that you can be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. So bye for now.